Dear children, next we move on to in our topic division. Okay, what are the terms used in chapter division? Okay, it is so important to know about the terms. Okay, I am going to explain, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, I am going to explain, that is here for, that is 18 divided by 2. Okay, this is a sum. This is a simple division sum, 18 divided by 2. Okay, let me move, that is let me do like this. Okay, this is a division. Okay, 18 by 2. Okay, now you have to say the table. Which table? That is 2 table up to the number 18. Okay, we have learnt in our previous video. Okay, so start to say 2 table. Okay, that is 5 2s are 10. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. And 9 2s are 18. So 9 2s are 18. And you have to subtract the number 18 minus 18. You put here, that is 0. Okay. And now, which is called what? That is 18 is called as dividend. These are the terms. Okay, dividend. Okay, and 2, which is, that is divisor. Okay, and 9, which is called as quotient. Okay, this is quotient, and 0 will be called as, that is remainder. Okay, so here do you understand the terms? That is 18. Which number to be divided is called dividend. Okay, and which number, okay, that is a dividend by which the number is to be divided, which is called divisor. And the answer is the quotient, and the leftover number, which is called remainder. Okay, do you understand the unit? That is here 18 by 2, that is the normal division sum. You have to find out the quotient, that is 9. But you should know the terms. 18 is what, and 2 is what, and 9 will be what, and 0 will be what. Okay, so naming the terms, that is called terms. Terms in division. Terms in division. These are the terms. Okay, I will explain once again. That is which number to be divided, which is called dividend, and by which the number, that is called divisor, and the answer will be the quotient, and the remaining leftover number, which is called remainder. Okay, this is the terms we have used in division sum, and you should know in your grade level 3rd. Okay, and let me move on to the what are division facts and multiplication facts. Let me see in next video. Okay children, next we move on to the next subtopic in division, that is let me write, that is multiplication facts. Okay, what are the multiplication facts? We are going to write from the division fact. How to write? Okay, I am going to write few example sums. Here, that is 18 divided by 2. This is our previous multiplication by using multiplication table. How to write this? You have to put the answer 9 by saying 2 table up to the number 18. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, this is a division fact, which one is called, that is division fact. Okay, which is called division fact. And let me write, by using this division fact, we are going to write 2 multiplication facts. Okay, by that is 9 into 2. So 9 into 2 equal to 18. And again change the multiplicand. In our multiplication video, we learned the terms in multiplication, and 9 and 2, that is called multiplicand. Okay, so these are multiplicants. So 2 into 9 equal to, that is 18. So we can write two multiplication facts from this division fact, okay, which is called division fact, and these are called multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. So we can write two multiplication facts by writing the multiplicants. Okay, I am going to write one more example for you, that is 30 divided by 5 here. Okay, so this one is first example and this is for second sum. Okay, 30 divided by 5, you are going to say that is table 5, multiplication table 5 up to the number 30. Okay, and 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 6 5s are 30. So answer will be, that is 6. Okay, this is a quotient, and this is a division fact. Okay, this is called division fact. And let me write by using this division fact. We can write two multiplication fact. Okay, that is 5 into 6 is equal to 30. This is one multiplication fact, and again change the multiplicand, and 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So these two facts are, that is multiplication facts. Okay, so these are the terms and how to change and how to write multiplication fact from simple division fact. Okay, and this is a second example for you. You can write the multiplication facts from this division fact, that is 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. Okay, in this similar way, same way, by that is you can write from the multiplication fact, you can write again the division fact also. Okay, let me see the next example sum. You can write, that is division fact from multiplication facts. Okay children, now we are going to write same, that is division fact from the multiplication fact. Already we have learned, okay, to write multiplication fact from division, and now we are going to write, that is division from multiplication facts. Okay, I am going to explain two example sums how to write division facts. Okay, that is 9 into 2. Okay, 9 into 2, that is 18. So here this multiplication sign, you can identify which one is the division or multiplication fact. So this is a multiplication fact. Okay, so this is a multiplication fact, and you are going to write division fact from this multiplication fact. So here, that is 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. This is a one division fact, and again 18 divided by 9, answer will be 2. So these two examples are the division fact. So this is a division fact. Okay children, do you understand this? Okay, this is a easy way to write, that is you can write division to multiplication, and from that is multiplication fact you can write down the division fact, but you should know the multiplication table in your, that is in your fingertip multiplication answer. You have to by heart the multiplication tables. Okay, and next we move on to the second example sum. Same, I am going to write one multiplication fact, and you can write down the division fact. Okay, that is 21 divided by 3, that is, sorry, I am going to write the multiplication, that is 7 into 3 equal to 21. Okay, this is a multiplication sign. So, this is called multiplication fact. Okay, multiplication fact. Okay, and you are going to write two division facts by using, that is 21 divided by 3, that is 7, and 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. Okay, so these are the division facts. From this multiplication fact, you should write, that is division fact. Okay, so this is a way how to write division fact from the multiplication, and similar method, that is you can write the division to the multiplication fact. You should say the multiplication tables only.